Giant spring is being manufactured by using a hot wound and roll-up process. Copper bars are easily polished using two rotating wheels. A spiral bending machine is used for creating professional-looking notebooks and presentations. Indonesian workers are stacking plates of foods in a pyramid shape to make it easier to serve later. This handmade mechanism can be used to easily water a mini plant. An automatic plastering machine can plaster 50-100 square meters of wall per day. It is easy to move and a highly efficient choice for construction workers. Compact ARC welding robot provides high pass accuracy and great stability. Drones are being increasingly used in a variety of ways in firefighting operations. Universal sole press machine is designed for a variety of outsole pressing, and the press time is adjustable according to the material type. Fully automated Chinese labeling machine can label both sides of a water bottle at once. Cone-shaped springs are frequently used in different types of electrical contact. This machine makes equal size peanut butter chocolate in seconds. Humans will never need automation if they work like this. Bending by hands in such condition is time consuming, so this machine is used to bend hinges quickly. Headlock bottle feeding system is a perfect solution for cup feeding applications. Laser cutting cobot robot is easy to operate with manual drag programming. Slow motion vacuum sucking up water from the recent rain. A molding process needs pressure and heat to fill the cavity of a mold. Then it cools down and forms a solid product. Portable fiber laser logo making machine feature a more practical and compact design compared to other options. Automatic $2 plate rolling machine is suitable for rolling stainless steel, aluminum, copper and other materials.